Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Riffusion, Suno, and Mubert. In order to do so, here we are at Suno.com and we're also at Riffusion.com and Mubert.com. And if you're unfamiliar with these three platforms, they are all about music generation. Let's go ahead and start with Riffusion. Riffusion has quickly become one of my favorite platforms to use. I love Suno as well, but Riffusion is fantastic. The quality is great and it's free. Now there is a subscription tier that you can take advantage of as well so that you can get access to some of its premium features, but for the most part, if you want to drop in and make music, you can use Riffusion and the results really are quite stunning. Let's go ahead and log in here real quick. And we'll just show you how easy this is. And we'll just put our name in. Let's see. YouTube. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and agree. You can see here, if we want to go with the starter tier, we're looking at about $6 a month, which is very reasonable. But let's go ahead and start creating some songs here. So here we have create the music you imagine. So let's go ahead and we're just going to go with an instrumental, and we can put in a prompt here. So if we want to keep it super simple, we can. And why don't we go ahead and do that? Let's just say a fun EDM beat, something simple like that. You can go to compose and you have more options here. This is where you can really dial things in. You can put in your lyrics, you can specify your sound. You have a lot more options here. We'll just go ahead and stick with the simple prompt and we'll hit generate. And you can see here, Riffusion has already started to generate. And it won't take too long. Usually takes about as fast as you see it going there. So not going to be too long at all. There we go. So we've got our first two examples here. Let's go ahead and hit play so we could take a little listen. So there you go. That gives you an idea of what Riffusion is capable of. Why don't we give a peek to the other one here? So there you go, super simple, and the results are very nice, very quality. Let's go ahead and check out Suno. And really, if you're looking for the premium music generator, as far as I'm concerned, that is Suno. Suno has so many great functions that allow you complete control, or near complete control at this point, over your music. And one of the recent things that they've done is given you stem extraction. You can separate vocals, drums, bass, guitar, keyboard, synth, all of the different parts of your music. You can separate them so you have full control. And if you are into music production, then that gives you an idea of what you can do with Suno. I mean, you can really dial things in there in a premium way. And the nice thing about Suno is it does provide you 50 credits per day that you can play around with. And it's not as much as Riffusion, where you basically have unlimited music generation. So that's one of the reasons why you might want to check Riffusion out. But if you're really looking for those premium features, check out Suno. Let's go ahead and just see what the upgrade plans are here. So you're looking at about $8 a month. Actually, it's about $10 a month. But with it, you get access to the latest, most advanced model, which is the 4.5. And I used the 4.0 and it was amazing. So the 4.5 is just as good, better, and you know, the quality that you're going to get there, being that the 4 was so good, is just it's hard to imagine there. But you get 2,500 credits per month, which is more than enough to be able to play around with. And I mean, those 50 credits per day, you can really do quite a bit with that. So let's go ahead and give Suno a try so you can see here for yourself all the different options we have. And what you can do is you can add your lyrics here. Same thing with Riffusion. Add your lyrics here. If you want to do an instrumental, then you can toggle that. You can enter in your style and put in your song title. We'll just leave that as is. If you go back here, we also have the write lyrics option. And this is, let's see, full song. That's what we want to do. And so we want to say, we'll just say something simple, love song. You write lyrics. Riffusion has this option as well. Should note that. And there you go. So we have that easy generated lyrics for our song. And so if we want to select any of those, we can, and then we can just go ahead and hit create. And there we go. Riffusion is now creating our song. So let's go ahead and we'll give that a quick listen. And it shouldn't take too long for that to finish up here. There we go. Go ahead and hit play on that and give it a quick listen.
I saw you standing in the rain tonight.
So there you go. That gives you an idea of what Suno is capable of. Let's go ahead and listen to the other one here real quick.
I saw you standing in the rain tonight. Your shadow.
And there you have it. There are a lot of other functions with Suno to explore. One of the best ones is the audio function. You can upload your own audio or you can record it. So you can record your own voice and then Suno can generate that just from your voice, can generate that into a song. So that's really quite powerful. And that's one of the reasons why you might want to use Suno over Riffusion, because you're not going to get that option, or at least with Riffusion, if you record your own voice, unfortunately, it really doesn't seem to come up with very good results. I've tried it before myself and the results are lacking, but you can't beat free music. So if you are just looking for something to play around with, then by all means, check out Riffusion. And the persona option is very awesome as well. So this is where if you record your own voice, then what you can do is you can create a persona, and you can create a persona based on the song and the voice that it generates. And then you can recycle that over and over again. You can use the same persona for different songs. So that's kind of maintaining the consistency of your vocals, and you can use it in different songs as well. Now, just be aware that it's not going to sound exactly like you. It'll sound a little bit like you, but the fact is that Suno really refines the vocals, and so it'll take your voice and it'll make you sound like a superstar singer. One of the cool things about it, though, this is something I've been playing around here recently, is that with stems, you can, if you're a singer and you want to sing your own songs, well, then you can download the stems. You are going to need a subscription for that, but you can download the stems and then you can sing on top of the music. So it's kind of like having your own personal band that is just going to give you some top-notch stuff there. So that's really exciting. You can download stems with Riffusion as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at Mubert. And of the three of them, the one that I have used the least is Mubert. And we're going to kind of take a closer look here at what Mubert is capable of. And let's see here. See if we can find the generate track option. I guess we'll just click on that. There we go. So we can enter in our, let's go ahead and pick a genre. So let's go again with ambient. We can pick a mood and we'll go with acoustic. And we can pick an activity. So this is just kind of where, like, whatever it is that you're doing. So we activities, rest, chill out. So this is what we're going to be doing. And then we can generate the track. And there you go. Now, the last time I used this, Mubert puts in a sort of vocal watermark with its music. So let's go ahead and try that out and see if we get the same thing.
Mubert.
Yeah. So you can hear that there, kind of in the middle of your song will just shout out Mubert. And this is where if you're, and then the other thing is that Mubert only does instrumentals. So it won't do anything aside from that. You can't put in your own lyrics. It's basically just for instrumentals. And so honestly, between the three of them, I wouldn't even touch Mubert personally, because you can't really test it out for free. You can only get 45 seconds. It has that vocal watermark in the middle of it. So for me, it's not really worth my time. But I would say that between Riffusion and Suno, I would throw money at Riffusion just because of the fact that I like their platform so much and I've gotten so much use out of it. Then I feel like it's worth paying the subscription just to say thank you for all the amazing music that I've been able to generate with it. But if you're really looking for top-notch quality, if you're looking for the top of the pile, then I would say Suno is the way to go. You can just do some amazing stuff with it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. If you're interested in Simply Financial, if you're looking for a new online bank, check out Simply. You can get $50 to start. We have a link in our link tree. And once you're signed up, if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125. Your friends and family will get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. And go ahead and click on that referral link and you can get $50 in your bank account to start with Simply Financial.